We're going to start by removing the 3 screws on the steering wheel. Next, we're going to take off the bottom half of the steering column using a pry tool. We're going to connect the first T-harness. Make sure you hear the click when plugging it in. The next T-harness is on the right side of the steering column. Place the second T-harness in line. Once that's completed, we're going to feed the wire through the dashboard towards the OBD tooth port. Now we're going to remove the OBD2 port. For the OBD2 T-harness, there are 2 adapters depending on your model. The standard one on the right side is for the F-150. Sometimes you'll have to use for the other one. But in general, F-150s use this adapter. We're going to plug in the T-harness to that. Connect the OBD T-harness to the OBD2 port. And we're going to screw the T-harness back to the factory place. While holding down the black programming button, insert the black connector. The LEDs are red and blue together. Let go of the programming button. Then place the 2 white connectors, but do not put in the red connector. We're going to insert the first key, insert the second key, and then insert the first key again. Then the module should flash red and blue together. Then this might take a couple of seconds. There. The module should flash blue. Then you can turn off your car. Once the programming is completed, you could insert the last connector. Once, twice, 3 times.